7 plus 0 gives 7. Then 7 times 3 gives 21, and 21 divided by 21 equals 1. This is wrong. So if you solve yours this way, just know that you are solving it the wrong way. Now, what is the correct way to solve this? Let's solve it together.
Welcome to Math with Miss Becca, where we break down tricky math concepts into clear, step-by-step lessons you can understand in minutes. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
Yes, we are to solve what we have in the parentheses first. That is 7 plus 0 gives 7. Now let's rewrite it. This becomes 21 divided by 3 bracket 7. And that bracket is the same thing as multiplication. So let's rewrite it this way. 21 divided by 3 then times 7. Now, I understand that you know the PEMDAS rule. Yes, we have the PEMDAS rule, but what you do not know about the PEMDAS rule is that when multiplication and division appear together, or addition and subtraction appear together, you are to solve from left to right. That is, multiplication is not superior to division. Neither is division superior to multiplication. Same thing applies to addition and subtraction. So now that we have division and multiplication appearing together, we don't multiply first because M appears before D in the PEMDAS rule. Instead, you solve from left to right. That means we have to divide before we multiply. So now we have 21 divided by 3, and this gives 7. And this becomes 7 times 7, and that will be 49. So if you solve this the wrong way and you got answer, if you got 1, then that is wrong. The correct answer to this is 49. Now, to be sure that you understand what I just explained, try this. 49 divided by 7 bracket 7 plus 0, and leave your answer in the comment.